Alright guys, so in this video we will talk about comments in C++. So let's get started. Okay, what is comments and why is it used? Comments are the statement which is not compiled by the compiler, and it is used to define your code and make it more understandable for programmer. So basically comments are the statements which is ignored by the compiler. When you compile your program, it will ignore this line, and it is used to define your code and make it more understandable. So comments are used to write description of your code. So there are two types of comments. First is multi-line comment and second is single line comments. So let's take a look of syntax of comments. So first is multi-line comment. Multi-line comment start with forward slash and star and end with star and then forward slash. Fine. So you can write your multi-line comments within these symbols. For example, here we start our comment, and so we write the starting symbol of our comment. So here is forward slash and start, then we write the comment hello, this is multi-line comment, and then we end the multi-line comments. So this is the example of multi-line comment, and let's take a look of single line comment. So single line comment start with double forward slash, and you can start with writing double forward slash and write your comment. So for example, double slash and then this is your single line comment hello, this is single line comment. So let's take a look how the comments are work. So here I have opened my Cilion software. So here I am writing the multi-line comment. So I start with forward slash and then star, and this software automatically end your comment with star and forward slash. Otherwise you can manually write this like this. So here I have write the multi-line comment. So this, okay, so let's run the program. So our program has been run successfully. Here is a variable int, a variable of data type int val, and the value is 1223, and we print the value of val here. So the value of the val has been printed, and a multi-line comment is ignored by the compiler. If I remove this and this from here, let's take a look what happened. Okay, so here is the error. This is, so error invalid use of this in non-member function. So here, so basically when we don't use comment and we simply write anything like this, will give the error. So what we can do, we use comment here. Okay, let's take a look of single line comment. So single line comment start with two forward slash. So let's write the comment. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, the program has been run successfully. So this is all about comments, and that's all for this video guys. In next video we will talk about operators. So thank you so much guys for watching.